Happy testing! Hello my beautiful people, I hope you all are doing great. After looking at this t-shirt, you would have already realized today on what all topics we are going to talk about, and this would be the most awaited video of the All About Freelancing series. So without any delays, let's get started. So let me give you a short introduction about UTest once again. So UTest by Applause is a company and it's the largest community of freelance crowdsourced testers. We are a community of almost 1,200,000 testers spread across the world. So congratulations to UTest and to all the UTesters out there. Now it's time to get started on UTest. So I'm dropping the link of the website in the description box below, and you can just access it directly, explore the website and understand what we actually do, and later on you can get started and sign up on the website. Once you join UTest, you will see a new joiner checklist on your screen. Make sure to follow each and every checklist and complete each of the steps because it's absolutely necessary. The first step after creating your account would be to confirm your email address, and the next would be set up your payment method. That's extremely important, so do it right. UTest community is just like a family to me. You can go ahead and drop a status like, hey, I'm new to this community, and you will receive a lot of welcome messages as well, welcome comments on the status, and you can explore the forum sections where the frequent questions are asked, plus you can check out the articles as well, articles posted by the community management, plus the articles posted by the UTesters as well. So you can just check them out and get more information about UTest and how it works. Frequently asked question, that why do we need to keep our profile updated? So basically what happens is, at UTest we have projects with wide requirements and unique requirements. So to get an invitation to the project, we would need to know if you have the particular device or not, or if you have the particular vehicle or anything like that. So for that you'll have to keep your profile updated so that we know that okay, this tester has this particular device and is a good match to our project and can be invited to the test site. The next point is checking out the project board. I personally recommend all the testers to log in at UTest every single day and check out the project board section, because we have a variety and a number of projects coming up on everyday basis, and projects board is the best place where you can explore and find out the projects that are upcoming or ongoing, and you can directly apply to the project, and if you are a match you will be invited to the cycle. All this is done finally. Thank you so much for staying up with me till now and completing all the steps. Now whatever I'm going to tell after this is extremely important, that is taking the courses at Academy. As a newbie, I totally understand you might feel overwhelming seeing all this, and not sure if we all are from the IT background or not. So you don't have to worry about it, because the Academy is the place where you can get every single knowledge about UTest. There is another factor where participating in the practice cycles at the academy will help you, that is increasing in your tester rating. This is extremely important to fetch you paid cycles. The rating goes from unrated to rated to proven to bronze to silver and then gold. Increase the tester rating, you need to report good quality issues in the cycles and complete the test cases in a timely manner. So the academy, how will the academy cycles help you in increasing your rating? So basically, at academy cycles you will be reporting issues, you will be reporting bugs and completing the test cases. So this will help you in boosting your rating as well, plus you will get a knowledge about how to report issues and how to participate in paid cycles as well. It is a fact that the better your tester rating is, the more projects you are likely to receive. So make sure you work hard and you get to the goal. This question is something which is asked by many people to me because I have got promoted twice. I was also a U-tester and then I got promoted as an academy TTL testing lead, and then now I work with the community management as a community engineer. So we all love promotions and this surely makes everyone happy. My suggestion to everybody out there is do well in each and every cycle. Your hard work is surely noticed. Help the newbies, help the new testers, and your focus should be on doing well, on working hard on each and every cycle. We all notice each and everything who does well and who would be a great asset to the company. So that's how the promotions are. There is also a link through which you can apply directly to the TTL position. Make sure to check the requirements for applying to the TTL position. There are 3 to 4 requirements and you need to meet them, and only then you can apply to the position through the link, and the team would contact you, the team would check your response and surely get in touch with you if you are a match. But my suggestion is that do well in each and every cycle. Hard work is the key. That's right, hard work and the quality of work you provide to the company. Just give your best in every cycle. That's it. Your major motto should be on giving the best quality of testing in every cycle, and automatically you will get promoted someday. Few more random tips I would like to give here is that read the overview carefully. This is something we all miss out. We all take it for granted that it's okay, we will find our way later on, but no. Read the overview very carefully. What is in scope of testing, what is not, what is out of scope. We should have that clear picture of in scope and out of scope section, and focus areas we need to test, and if we have any special requirements. Take your own time, don't rush. Initial phase is always slow because you are still learning, but once you get the hang of it, you will experience that any test cycle you comes, you are ready to participate, and you just need to check the overview and you will start looking out for bugs, you will start reporting issues. Lastly, since I am from the community management team, I would like to mention here that we all are there for you. Any issues you face on U-Test, it can be test cycle issues, it can be platform issues, anything. Let us know. If you face any issues, you can open a forum post as well without mentioning the customer name, and if you want the community to get involved and and based on the community's experience, answer to your questions. But if there is something that you cannot discuss in the open platform at the forums, then you can always reach out to the community management support, and we shall look at your issue, and we will solve it as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have put my heart and soul in this video because U-Test and testing is very, very close to my heart, and I feel proud to be called as a U-Tester. See you very soon in my next vlog. Bye bye.
Click on my image to subscribe to my channel.